Hello and welcome everyone. So today we're gonna take a look at Ethereum, the Ethereum USD, which is the price of Ethereum quoted in US dollar. Now, if we take a look at Ethereum, Ethereum has had like very big bull run in 2017, went all the way to 1400, and then we entered this bear market and we consolidated for years. Crypto's bull market tend to happen every 4 years. And right now in 2021, we started one again. We did take the all-time highs. We did break above the all-time highs, and we went all the way to 2000. However, we didn't close above the 2000. So this is a very strong level to watch for. Is the high weekly close, and the high weekly close for now is 1885. So keep this level in mind. Right now we do have two resistance. We do have this level and the 2000 level, which is the all-time high for now. Now we've corrected since then. We had a little correction and we went all the way to 1300, and right now we're bouncing back. Now to take a look at that level here, this is the 55 EMA that did a very good job up until now to keep the prices up. Sure, we did have a little fake out here, but for now it did a very good job at keeping the prices up. And if we do take a look at the fibs, we corrected at the 38.2, which means that Ethereum had a correction of 38.2%, lost 38.2% of its gains. And this is a very good correction. This is a pretty good correction. This is a normal correction. And right now we're bouncing back. We do have, keep in mind that if we zoom into the intraday charts, we do have here a head and shoulders, a reverse head and shoulders pattern. And this is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder. And right now we did bounce back, back tested, and we could this could propel us again to the all-time highs that we had of 2000. And this is a very, very strong level to watch for. And if we do take this level and we close on a daily and weekly basis above the 2000s, this could be a very strong buy signal, and we could tend to see very big, fresh and capital flow flowing into the market when it comes to Bitcoin. Now, since we do have a bottom, or at least a temporary bottom, we can use the Fibonacci extension and know what the next target, or what to look for, what is the next target. So let's take a look at that quickly. And I'm gonna take the weekly charts, take the Fibonacci expansions, and take the start of the bull market, the all-time highs, and where the price corrected. And as you can see, it gives us a target of 2300, and this target is the next target. If we do take this level of 1885 and the level of 2000, and we close on a weekly basis above those 2000s, 2300 is a very probable target. Now, when it comes to comparing Bitcoin to Ethereum, because if you take a look at the chart of Bitcoin, for example, this is the weekly chart of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, we had the bull run of 2017. However, right now we had this bull run and we are pretty far from the all-time highs. The all-time highs here are at around 1900, and right now we went all the way to 57,000. So from 19,000, and right now the all-time highs are 57,000. So we did a very big run, and we went a little bit far from the all-time highs. However, if you do take a look at the Ethereum is still not far away. We're still not that far away from the all-time highs. Right now we're trading at 1700, and the all-time highs were of 1400. And this brings us to the next point, something really important to watch for, which is the Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio. And the Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio is a very important thing to look for, because as you can see, this is the Ethereum. We're pretty low. The Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio, we're pretty low. We're not at the lowest. We're not at all-time low, but we are pretty low. Because if you do take a look at 2017 here, 2017, the Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio went all the way all the way. I mean, we're gonna ignore this one, but we went all the way to 0.14, and this is a very strong level again to watch for. Note that the average, if you take a look at, if you do take all of these and put an average for it, I've calculated the average, and the average is around 0.40. So even right now, we are trading below the average, which means that Ethereum is quite undervalued compared to Bitcoin. Now, if you do take the average and we do break above the 0.40 level and we keep going, the next level to watch for is there is 0.50, 55, around the 54, 55. The next level would be the level of 0.085, and then the level of 0.010, and then we could finally reach maybe the 0.14. And this is a very good thing to watch for, because right now Ethereum is providing a good buying opportunity if the bull market still goes around, and Ethereum has a lot of potential compared to Bitcoin. So for people that missed Bitcoin, Ethereum can be the next opportunity, I would say. Now, another thing to watch for is right now we still haven't had a big move up because the dollar is pretty strong. So the dollar this morning, we had a sell-off at the Asian Pacific session, and at the European session as well, which propelled the dollar a lot higher. Right now we are going a little bit down, as you can see, from the all-time high, the recent all-time highs. But keep in mind that the dollar is a very important indicator to watch for as well. And if the dollar breaks above this resistance area of around 500, breaks above it and goes to 94, which is, in my opinion, very improbable, but it could happen. And if it does happen, it will put a lot of pressure on everything, on equities, on commodities, and on cryptos as well. Basically on everything quoted in US dollar. So just keep that in mind. So this is it for now. We watched this video was about the Ethereum, and I wish you guys good luck and see you next time.